Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add colors to your Instagram notes using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now tap the message or DM icon at the bottom of your screen. Now at the very top, you will see a profile picture with the option leave a note. Tap on it and type your message. Now here is the trick to add color. Instagram notes support emojis and emojis bring color automatically. So add emojis like hearts, star, circle or fire emoji. This instantly makes your note colorful. Now use simple symbols with emojis. You can start or end your note with the colorful emojis to highlight your message. Another easy method is using the Notes app on your iPhone. Open the Notes app and type your message there. Add emojis or special characters, then copy the text. Go back to the Instagram note, paste it and post. You can also use different language, font or stylish text but remember simple text with emojis looks best and it's easy to read. And that's it. This is how you can add colors to your Instagram note on your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.